OPPO's newest budget-friendly 5G device, the OPPO A6x 5G, officially launched in India. Even though flagship models like the Find X9 usually grab all the attention, the reality is simple. Most people buy budget smartphones, and OPPO knows this very well. The A6x 5G is aimed at users who want smooth performance, beautiful design, long battery life, and a fast display, all without spending too much. So, let's break down everything this phone offers, and see whether the OPPO A6x 5G is worth your money. Premium design at a budget price. Even at its starting price of 12,499 Indian rupees, $138.94, the OPPO A6x 5G doesn't feel cheap at all. The phone is just 8.58 millimeters thick and weighs around 212 grams, which gives it a slim, well-balanced feel in the hand. OPPO has used a unibody design here, giving the phone a cleaner and more unified look. There's also a fingerprint-resistant lens coating around the camera area so the back doesn't constantly look dirty or covered in smudges. You also get two color options, both designed to look premium rather than flashy. Fast performance with Dimensity 6300. Inside the phone is MediaTek's Dimensity 6300 chipset, a processor built for efficiency and stability. This means that for everyday tasks like social media, messaging, online classes, video streaming, or basic editing, the phone stays consistent and smooth. OPPO claims this processor maintains its performance throughout the day without major slowdowns, and based on previous models, that may just be true. Our full review will confirm this soon. Gaming features and connectivity boosters. If you're a gamer, OPPO has included a few software tricks to improve your experience. AI Game Boost. This improves responsiveness, reduces stutter, and keeps gameplay stable. Especially useful for games like BGMI, Free Fire, and Call of Duty Mobile. Splash Touch. This feature increases touch sensitivity, so even if your fingers are slightly wet or sweaty, the screen responds properly, a big plus for gaming and outdoor use. AI Link Boost 3.0. This smart network optimization system helps maintain a strong signal even in crowded areas or weak network zones. Whether you're traveling, sitting in a basement, or in a busy market, this feature works to keep the connection steady. ColorOS 15. Smooth, polished, and optimized. Running on ColorOS 15, the OPPO A6x 5G brings several under-the-hood improvements that make the entire user experience feel more refined. Here's what you get. Luminous Rendering Engine. This ensures animations look fluid, polished, and visually pleasing. Scrolling feels smooth, and transitions feel premium. Trinity Engine. This helps manage performance and battery in a more intelligent way, making sure the phone runs fast without draining power unnecessarily. Combine all this with the phone's 120Hz ultra-bright display, and you get faster scrolling, smoother animations, and a responsive experience overall, whether you're just browsing or playing games. Huge 6,500 mAh battery plus 45W fast charging. Battery life is one of the biggest highlights of the OPPO A6x 5G. This phone packs a massive 6,500 mAh battery, much larger than what we usually see in this price segment. OPPO claims up to 882.1 hours of standby time, around 22.4 hours of continuous video playback. For most people, this means 2 full days of use on a single charge. And when you do need to charge, OPPO's 45W SuperVOOC fast charging helps a lot. It can take the phone from 1% to 41% in just 30 minutes, which is excellent for a budget device. Simple camera setup, but good for everyday use. The phone includes 13MP main rear camera, 5MP front selfie camera. You're not getting flagship-level photography here, and OPPO openly admits that the camera isn't the main focus of this device. However, for daily shots, social media photos, video calls, and general use, the cameras perform their role perfectly fine. Final thoughts. Is OPPO A6x 5G worth buying? The OPPO A6x 5G offers a great combination of strong battery life, reliable performance, smooth 120Hz display, good connectivity features, fast charging, a clean, premium design. At its price, This phone is clearly targeted towards everyday users who want a reliable device that lasts long, responds fast, and feels premium without costing too much. If you prioritize a huge battery, stable performance, and everyday reliability, the OPPO A6x 5G is definitely worth considering.